Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Starting with simple steps, first, give your PS5 and Wi-Fi router a quick restart. This often clears up minor glitches that cause connection issues. Next, double-check that your PS5 system software is fully updated. Newer versions frequently include crucial network optimizations. These initial actions can surprisingly resolve many common lag problems, ensuring your console runs smoothly from the start. Always begin with these quick checks. For the most stable connection, prioritize using a wired Ethernet cable directly to your PS5 if possible. It virtually eliminates wireless interference and provides consistent speed. If wireless is essential, try adjusting your PS5 DNS settings to Google's public DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, which can often improve connection reliability. Additionally, assigning your PS5 a static IP address can prevent network conflicts and maintain a more stable connection, especially in busy home networks. These tweaks can make a big difference. Optimizing your Wi-Fi band is crucial for gaming. If your router supports it, connect your PS5 to the 5 GHz band. It offers faster speeds and less congestion than 4 GHz. Proximity to your router also matters significantly, so try moving your PS5 closer to boost signal strength and reduce latency. Be mindful of potential interference sources like microwaves or certain cordless phones, as these can disrupt your Wi-Fi signal and cause noticeable lag spikes during intense gameplay. A clear signal is key. To further prioritize your gaming experience, consider enabling quality of service, or QoS, within your router's settings. This feature allows you to prioritize your PS5 network traffic, ensuring it gets the bandwidth it needs during peak times. If your router is several years old, an upgrade might be beneficial, as newer models offer improved Wi-Fi technology and better performance. Finally, don't hesitate to contact your internet service provider to confirm there are no network outages or issues affecting your service in your area. They can often provide valuable insights. For persistent issues, entering safe mode on your PS5 and selecting Rebuild Database can resolve underlying system file corruption that might impact network performance. As a more drastic step, resetting your PS5 network settings to default can clear any problematic configurations you've made. If after all these steps, you're still experiencing significant lag, it might indicate a hardware issue. In such cases, reaching out to PlayStation support for specific diagnostic tools or repair options would be the wisest next course of action. Their expertise can guide you further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.